In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for a Notion account step by step. Notion is one of the most powerful productivity and note-taking tools available, and it's used for everything from personal planning and task management to team collaboration and project tracking. If you're brand new to Notion and want to create your first account the right way, this guide is perfect for you. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar, type in notion.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Notion website. Always make sure you're on the official site so your account stays secure. Once the Notion homepage loads, take a moment to look around. You'll see information about what Notion does, along with options to log in or get started. Since we're creating a brand new account, the next step is to look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Even though it says Login, this is also where new users begin the sign-up process. After clicking Login, you'll be taken to the Notion login page. Here, you'll see several options for signing in or creating an account. Notion allows you to sign up using Google, Apple, email, or other methods. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Continue with Google option because it's the fastest and easiest way to create an account. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. At this point, a Google sign-in window will pop up. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, you'll see a list of available Google accounts. Simply click on the Google account you want to use with Notion. If you're not signed in yet, Google will ask you to enter your email address and password first. Once you select your Google account, Google will ask you to confirm that you want to use this account to sign into Notion. Review the information on the screen, then continue to confirm. Notion will then automatically create your account using your Google credentials. This only takes a few seconds. After the process is complete, you'll be redirected into your brand new Notion workspace. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up for a Notion account. From here, Notion may ask you a few quick questions about how you plan to use the app, such as whether it's for personal use, work, or school. These questions help customize your experience, but you can skip them if you want and adjust things later. Once you're inside Notion, you'll see your dashboard, where you can start creating pages, notes, and databases right away. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to sign up for a Notion account quickly and easily using Google. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly software tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.